In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default save location in OneNote. If you want your notebook to be stored in a different folder on your computer, OneNote makes it fairly simple to update that location. This can be useful if you're trying to stay organized, save files to a specific drive, or keep your notebooks in a folder that's easier to back up and manage later. To begin, open your notebook in the OneNote desktop app. Make sure you're using the notebook you want to update, since the location change will apply to that notebook as you go through the process. Once the notebook is open and visible on your screen, you're ready for the next step. Now, move to the top left corner of the OneNote window and click File. This opens the File menu, where you can access notebook-related options and settings. If you haven't used this menu much before, don't worry. This is where many of OneNote's management tools are located. After that, click Settings to open the drop-down menu. This section contains additional options for the notebook, including details about where it is currently stored. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct menu item so you can continue to the notebook properties. Next, choose Properties. This opens a window with information about the notebook, including its current location. If you want to confirm where the notebook is currently being saved before changing it, this is a good moment to check. In the Properties window, click Change Location. This tells OneNote that you want to move the notebook to a different place on your computer. After clicking it, a file browser window will appear so you can choose the new folder. Now browse to the folder on your computer where you want to save the notebook. You can move through your folders carefully and choose the location that makes the most sense for you. For example, you might want a dedicated Documents folder or another organized storage location that's easy to remember. Once you've found the folder you want, click Select. This confirms the new save location for the notebook. After that, OneNote will use that location for the notebook you just updated. And that's it. By changing the notebook location, you can keep your files better organized and make them easier to find in the future. Just remember to choose a folder you'll continue using regularly so your notebook stays accessible and easy to manage.